Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I made this knotless braid lace frontal wig using pre-stretched braiding hair sent to me by BILEAF Hair, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. I was sent this hair by BiLeaf Hair, and this is the Beyond Beauty pre-stretched braiding hair, and it's 26 inches in the color 1B. I received a total of 8 packs, and I will be putting more information and a link to purchase in the description box below. Now, I've already done most of the wig off camera. This is a lace frontal wig that I've used, or that I've installed rather, in a previous video. I'll put a card and the link in the description box below. I also used some pieces of some T2730 hair that I used in a previous video. It's the same brand hair, and I'm not sure how many braids I have in total, but I did do them a little bit chunky so that I could cover up the tracks. These are what the ends are looking like, and I have not dipped anything. I have not done anything special, just braided it down with a little bit of slick and slay gel, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you my updated method for knotless braids, because I know I have a knotless braid tutorial and a knotless braid video, but I kind of do them a little bit different now. So I start by grabbing 3 sections of hair, and then I add a piece of hair immediately before I even start braiding. And that's how I get the beginning of the knotless braid to be as thick as the rest of the braid. Now, I didn't really want to add too much product to this wig, so I used a very tiny amount of SheIsBombCollection Slick and Slay Gel just to grab some of the frizzies that were poking out. And I'm talking about the hair on the actual wig, because the braiding hair itself didn't have any frizzies coming out until like the very ending of the plaits. And the texture itself made it super easy to tuck the hair that was on the wig down. So I'm not going to do too much talking. It's going to be more of a watch me slay video, but I did want to explain my updated method to knotless braids. And y'all already know how I feel about this hair. I did a review on this Beyond Beauty pre-stretch braiding hair. There's a card and a link for it in my description box below. But back to this knotless braid wig. Now, the lace frontal wig that I'm using to do this wig, there's a card and a link for it in the description box below. I'm not going to get too deep into it, but it's a 13x4 medium brown Swiss lace wig. I believe it's 12 inch, and the texture is Brazilian straight. Now, like I said before, I use all 8 packs of hair for these knotless braids, and the length of the braids are about 30 to 32 inches. Some of them are a tiny bit longer, but that's just the ends. I didn't braid these plaits all the way to the ends, like all the way like I would usually do with my clients, because I was thinking about putting beads on it, but I decided I'm just gonna wear it plain for a little while and maybe add beads later on. But anyways, I'll just go ahead and stop talking. Come back at the end of the video. Big shout out to BiLeaf Hair for sending me this hair, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. Enjoy the video. Alright, so now that the wig is almost complete, I just grab some scissors and cut any loose strands that I see, add my mousse, and then pour some boiling hot water to seal the ends. And this is what the wig is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry overnight. But I am very, very, very amazed at how good this wig came out. Once again, all of the hair that I use will be listed in my description box below, along with the links to purchase if you're interested. But this is the finished look. I did install this wig using Got To Be spray. So yes, it is a glueless wig. This is what the back is looking like. And I'm 5'10", so these braids don't look that long, but they are about 34 inches, 35 inches at the longest. So this wig is a little bit, tiny bit heavy, but it's worth it because it's so cute. Big shout out to BiLeAF for sending me this hair, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, me beg I them Father, make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.